Hi! In front of me is Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to go into Settings. Now click on More Connections over here and select Bluetooth section. After that, click on this switcher if it's not already on to enable Bluetooth feature and wait for available devices to show. When they do, you need to click on the chosen one, wait for the pop-up and select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, after that, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this gear icon next to the device, tapping on Forget over here, and choosing Forget Device in this pop-up. If you wish to connect to it again, you need to disable Bluetooth sometimes and then enable it back on. Click on the same device and choose Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!